Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. So welcome back everybody. Today is a very exciting video because it's another unboxing. Always makes me excited, and it's been a little bit of time in the coming. It's been, delivering. It's been coming for a while, and I'm really excited that it is. So this is actually my first ever purchase on the Silver Stackers forum. So that's very exciting for me. If you guys want to see the Silver Stackers forum, look at the link in the description. Everything's there. Great forum, good place to trade. But today we are unboxing a little parcel. So I had to scratch out all the address and everything, but I'm so excited to get into it. So let's head to the unboxing. Alright everybody, let's head right in. Just fix the light a bit so you can see it. Yes, that should be good. Should have checked that before. So I will just get, might not even have to use the scissors. Oh, I will. But today we are unboxing something that I think most of you would already know about or have seen before. And that is, technically that is some more Australian pre-decimal silver. And I'm very excited about this one. So we will cut in carefully. Pretty well packed here. So thank you to the seller. Cut in here. Okie dokie. Oh, very well packed. Alrighty. And here we have it. We have some Australian round 50-cent pieces. So very exciting stuff here. Pretty good condition. Obviously they're circulated coins, which means they were being used. They weren't for bullion purposes, but all pretty much in very good condition. I'll sort them out between the conditions. These are all in pretty good to good condition, actually. Yeah, just a couple that aren't as good in condition, but still really good, obviously. For a circulated coin, it's like having a 20-cent coin in your pocket, but very happy with these. These are all 80% silver each. And roughly 3 of these coins add up to an ounce of silver. So we just got just over, 3 ounces. Just over 3 ounces. And so I'm pretty excited about it. We've got 10 coins here, adding a bit more weight to the silver stack, but some stuff I'm really been excited to get, and some more to add to the pre-decimal stack. There we go, everybody. We'll stack them up so you can see them all. Been excited to get these ones for quite a while, so very glad that I've got them now. So a little bit extra silver, but it all makes a difference, you know. It's the difference between having no silver and some silver. So here we have exactly, well, not exactly, but just about 100 grams more silver. So that's pretty much doubling my pre-decimal silver holdings. So that's pretty exciting. I'm really excited to get these into the safe and set them all up. That's pretty much it for the unboxing, everybody. If you'd like to stay tuned for further videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Looks a little bit like this. Thanks for watching, everybody. And again, if I have not said it already, thank you so much for 150 subscribers. It's just so exciting, and I feel so privileged that so many people watch the channel. So a big thank you to you all. That's all for now, and until next time, goodbye.